Hello everyone, this is Drishti Ratti. I welcome you all back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Here I am back with a very interesting trick, and the trick we all are going to learn today is the Japanese trick for the multiplication of 3-digit numbers. If you remember, we have already done the Japanese trick of 2-digit numbers in our last video. I have mentioned the link of that video in the description below. You can please check that out. So now we are going to learn the Japanese trick for the multiplication of 3-digit numbers. So to multiply the 3-digit numbers like the one written over here, you can also use the Japanese trick. But before starting with the trick, if you're a new viewer, do subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified about more such interesting tricks. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the trick. So the trick is the Japanese trick of multiplication for the 3-digit numbers. As you can see, this is an example. 124 into 325, that is what we have to multiply. So if you remember the Japanese trick of 2-digit numbers, then we solve those sort of questions by making lines and then counting the intersecting points. The same thing we have to do over here also. So first of all, we have to make lines for this number 124. So for this number, I will start making lines like this. 1, then it's 2, then it's 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next, we have to make lines for this number 325. So 1, 2 and 3 over here, then 1 and 2 over here, then 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 like this. So in front of all the number of lines, we can write that also like it's 1 line, then 2 lines over here, then 4 lines over here. Then for this, we can also write like 3 lines over here, 2 lines over here and 5 lines over here. So to write the multiplication of this, to write the direct answer, what we have to do is, first of all, start making like this. We have to count all those intersecting points and write it over here. Then, just in front of that, we have to write it like this. So very carefully make those lines like this, and the intersecting points coming in between this and in between this, that is all these intersecting points that you can see will be counted and will be written just in front of the intersecting points of this. Then same sort of line, same sort of arcs, we have to make it like this over here also. So now in between this, whatever is there, we will count the intersecting points and add. So let us now start counting this. So instead of counting, what it is actually, that is 4 lines this way and 5 lines this way. 5 into 4, that is 20. So that means if you will count also, you will get 20 intersecting points. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So you can see these are the 20 intersecting points. So you can get that value instead of counting. You can get that value like this also. Multiply the number of lines this way coming in between, coming this way and this way, the cross line. So 5 into 4 is 20. Next, let us move to this portion. Count the intersecting points, add the intersecting points and write the answer over there. So it is basically, you can see 2 lines this way, 5 lines this way. It is 10. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Same thing over here. this is 2 lines over here and 4 lines over this way. So 4 into 2 is 8. So you can count also, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So it's 10 plus 8. It is 18. So write that number over here. Then coming to all this portion, count the intersecting points, add and write it over there. So it is like 5 lines this way and 1. That means 5 into 1 is 5. You can count also, you will get 5 this way. Then coming to this portion, you can see 2 lines this way, 2 lines this way. That means it is 4. 2 into 2 is 4. Then coming to this portion, that is 3 lines this way, 4 lines this way. You will get 12 lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So when you will count this, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 12 is 21. So I will write that number over here. Next, coming to all these intersecting points, counting. So it is like 1 and 2 over here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So that is 8. So I will write it 8 simply. Next one. You can see it's 1, 2 and 3. So it is 3. Now you might be thinking that why I made these slashes over here. It is because this is not right now the final answer. What will you do is, from the very last number, like that was 20, take the ones digit, that is 0, and carry the other number, that is 2. Carry that number over here. So 18 plus 2 is again a number 20. It's a number 20. Again write 0 over here and give this number 2 in carry like this. In the other one, so add it over here. 21 plus 2 is actually 23. So you will take this number 3 over here and carry the number 2 again. So that means 8 plus 2 is now 10. Again you will take this number 0 and carry this number 1 over here. The answer is 4 like that. So the final answer is now 40,300, which is the multiplication of the number 124 and 325. If you want to check if this answer is correct or not, you can please multiply the numbers and you will find out that it's the correct answer. You can also solve it using your normal method of multiplication to verify the result. So, with the same method, you can also multiply such numbers, like one is a 3-digit number, other is a 2-digit number. So, in that case, first thing is 143. So, make lines of 143. One line like this, then it's 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then it's 3, that is 1, 2 and 3. After that, you can see it's a number 52. You have to write it first of all in 3-digit form. So I will put a 0 over here. So 0 means that there will be no line over this side. Then coming to 5 lines. So let's make 5 lines like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then let's make 2 lines over here. That is 1 and 2. Now again, start dividing them into different regions. Like this is your first one. Next, let us divide the second region. So that is something like this. The second part of everything like that. The second part of everything. Then this will be in between. Then there is nothing over here. So we are just left with this much portion separate. So now let us start counting the number of lines, but before that let's write the number of lines in front of that, like 1, it's 4, it's 3. Then over here it's 0 of course, then it's 5 and then it is 2 this way. And this side it is 2 basically. Now let's count the number of intersecting points over here. It is like 2 lines this way, 3 lines this way. 3 into 2 is 6. So you can count that also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 intersecting points. So I'm writing it a number 6 like that. Next one. Count the number of intersecting points in between this. So it is like 4 lines this way and 2 lines this way. That means 8. You can count that also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Next one. You can count these also. You can see 5 and 3. 5 into 3 is 15. You can even count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it was 15 and over here you were having 8. So 15 plus 8 is actually 23. So write that number over here. Next one. We have to write all those intersecting points coming in between this. So it's like 2 over here. Then 5 this way and 4 this way line. So 5 into 4 is basically 20. You can count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So 20 intersecting points this way and 2 over here. 20 plus 2 is 22. So write that number over here. Next one. Count the intersecting points coming in between this. You can see 5 lines over here and 1 line this way. So 5 lines actually. 5 intersecting points. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 intersecting points. So let us write a number 5 this way. You can see this is a single number. That is a 1-digit number only. So I will write a number 6 as such. Then it's a 2-digit number. I will write one's digit over here and the other one will be carried. So you can see 3 will come here and the number 2 will be carried towards this. So add it, you will get 24. Okay, 24. That means you will write a number 4 over here and again a number 2 will be carried. So 5 plus 2 is actually 7. So 7436 is basically the multiplication of 143 and 52. I hope I explained it well. You can please tell me your thoughts or your suggestions in the comment section below. I will surely work on that. Till then, keep liking my videos, keep sharing. And for those who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can please subscribe it and press the bell icon for more such interesting tricks. I'll be back with an interesting trick very soon. Till then, take care and bye.